Hello, this is Boatshed Cornwall. I'm about to walk you round this Brig Eagle 500 rib. So as you can see, we're looking at the transom. We've just put the brand new cover on, so we'll miss the interior, but I'll walk you around the outside anyway. So, brand new propeller has just been fitted. So we're just walking down the starboard side now. Show you the trailer. Trailer's just had new bearings and hubs fitted. It's just taken us 10 minutes to put the cover on, so sorry about that. So obviously the trailer is included in the sail. As you can see, the outer bottom is nice and clean. So just come down the port side, so I'm pretty much back where I started. So this concludes the exterior tour of this Brig Eagle 500. If you like what you see and you'd like to know more, then please do contact Boatshed Cornwall.